was a very interesting day. So we started out first time here in this car. We did a test day yesterday at Winton just to get a bit familiar with it, and it's completely different to what I'm used to driving.
I think it was a massive learning experience for Jeff today. We had some of the best launches we've probably had, and we had probably some of the worst launches we've ever had.
My fault, didn't let the clutch out properly. That's time that you can't afford to lose in these short stages. So we built into the day though, and we were able to get that time back, and I think at the end of the day we ended up winning the day by about 8 seconds to the Howarth. So couldn't ask for more than that. There's one great thing about having a mechanic as a co-driver. They're the person who gets out of the car and works out what's wrong with the car. Based on this, what do you think's actually gone wrong, Damon?
As a mechanic, we can't fix everything. I think that one is, not really fixable. Looks like the valve has dropped out of the cylinder head and munched itself up against the piston, so that's not going any further.
Yeah, that's a shame. I'm still glad that we got to come here. We had an awesome day in the car yesterday and couldn't really ask for anything more apart from finishing the event, but we're still here. We're trying to enjoy the rest of the day. We've come to hang out with the camera crew and see what goes on behind the scenes and see some rally cars go through the stage, and life's good.